Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on the application of Yazio. You will click on settings. Sorry, here in this first page of settings like this you will click. Then we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window of Yazio app. Then here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.